Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive, your own training institute. So we will continue now and we will start coloring the other objects here. So let's see what else is left on our uh, like locker here. So we will color these hinges right now. So this these hinges, basically what I'm going to do is that I'll go to my locker graph here. Okay. And let's see, what do we have here? Do we have here hinges? Where are hinges? Yeah, I'll take these. Okay, with these two. Okay, and I'll go back to my box locker and add it here. Control V. And I will add a blend node here. Put it on top of it. Add it and right click, view output in 3D view, because it resets when you go to other objects there. Okay, and then let's bring back our height 3, tessellation back to scene. Here we go, we got it. And now what we need is that the mask for the head. Okay, so, and one more thing, as you know, the hinges are here. So I will add a transform to D here. Look it here, single click it here. Then I will resize this whole thing with or without like tiling mode, because later on we'll mask it, so it doesn't matter, but still I will make it no tiling. And okay, I think let's add a tiling here, vertical tiling, so I can reduce the vertical size. I can have these like scratches, or what you can say, like a anisotropic noise to continue only vertically. So I will make it something, push it something like here. And then I need a mask to be applied here. So I will go and see where are my hinges. Hinges. Here are the hinges. So I'll take here the hinges, Alt, go all the way here. And apply here. So now the colors are only on the hinges itself. Good, so I'll right click here, add a frame to it, make it bigger, recolor it, and I will right here, hinges, Lido. Set, we are done with the hinges. Now we need for the stickers. What I'm going to do here is move this out way here. Okay, add a blending node, use add mode of the blending, and I will add here splatter color. Okay, so here I have it. And how many patterns we have? We have around 3 patterns that we will add it here. Or letter blend. No, not these. I will use letter blend color. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay, And then what I'm going to do is pattern three patterns we want. I will use 3 patterns here and go back here in my stickers where we have the stickers here, and I will take these datas. Okay, alt all the back here, data 1. Okay, and then part 2, take this one, alt, and add it in part 2 here. So we have all these splatters going on here. Now what I want is my albedos here on these pattern 1, 2, 3. Okay, so simple. Let's save it first. I'll open my Photoshop now. So I have these stickers here, like one I have the super B, then I have this radiate positivity. So these I will use in the circular stickers, and then I have this grad. Okay, and this one I will use on the like square one. These are just random one. They like doesn't mean anything, just randomly I got it from internet. So let's close it and go back here. Okay, so I have brought these this folder here where I have these stickers. So I will take all of these 3 stickers and drag it here inside my box package. Okay, and link them so that if I'm changing the original one, the duplicate will change. So once I will choose link, it will ask me, are these the one that you're looking for? So I'll say yes, these are the one. And now they are here. Oops, here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'll take one by one all of these. Let's see which one is the square. Let's go back here because I forgot which one was the square. So pattern one is the square. So I'll bring the square one first here. Okay, and I will put this one in the pattern 1, but it will be, let's see if it's too big or not. Okay, fits perfectly here. And then I will take I will select this one, and one more thing here is I have to change its blend mode, like this blend mode to absolute and 16 bits, so they all will be 16. Okay, same thing here. I will take this absolute 16. Okay, so the quality will be better. And then I will take this one I will put it here. Okay, also absolute 16. Okay, so click it here just to see if it is working fine. Okay, good. Now last one, put this in the pattern 3. So click it here, make sure this one is also 16-bit. Okay, this is little going off the border. So what can I do? I can add a transform node here. Okay, double click it here, single click this part and make it little smaller just to see if everything's fine. Okay, it's fine now. So a little bit bigger. Yep, good. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is take whatever we have here in the add, use the add here, but it needs mask, sticker mask. So what I'm going to do, go all the way back here. Here we have the stickers mask. Okay, I will take this one, alt all the way here, alt, and go to the opacity. Okay, will start now appearing on the opacity. We got our stickers. We got the hinges, we got the stickers, we got this name tag, everything we have on the locker, we have it. Now what remaining is these parts, edge wear, rust, leaks, and those kind of things, and rivets also we are left with. So next class we will move and we will work on the rivets, and then we will move to the other parts. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notification which I'm about to create. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below. I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care guys. We meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch them. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.